Are you hungry or just want to be tipsy? Recommend ko lang sa inyo itong The Beer Factory and Estate Coffee House. Located lang to sa Paseo Center, Paseo de Rojas, Makati City. And very spacious talaga ng restaurant na to guys, hanggang 3rd floor sila. Ito yung 3rd floor and then ito naman yung 2nd floor. Unang sinerve sa akin yung Midori Sour and ang kanilang mojito. Sarap tong Midori Sour guys, may pagkamatamis siya. Namang mojito, refreshing dahil nga dyan sa mint. And for my daughter naman, itong Greek yogurt smoothies nila. Dito naman yung nutty peanut butter. And super love siya ng daughter ko. Favorite niya daw to. And check natin yung iba pang in-order ko dito sa The Beer Factory, your happy place. Ito yung Asian Snack Platter 2. Ang kanilang super laking Moo Oink Burger. Next is yung kanilang Bacon Aglio Olio Pasta. And one of my favorite dito, French Toast Parfait. Meron siyang French toast, beef, bacon, avocado, whipped cream cheese, and hard-boiled egg. Must try din tong Asian snack platter nila. May kick ng spiciness yung chicken wings. And itong sobrang laking Moo Oink Burger. Perfect yung bun na ginamit dito. Gusto ko rin yung live onions na gamit dito. And konting tulak ng Midori Sour. And perfect din tong pork dito sa Asian platter. Talagang crispy yung balat ng pork. And if seafood lover ka naman, try nyo tong Pomodoro. Tomato-based squid ink pasta. Sweet pan-seared fresh squid, clams, mussels, ricotta cheese, and mesclun salad. And for our dessert, must try din tong wild berry souffle. Grabe, napaka-fluffy ng souffle na to. Perfect siyang partner dito sa granola berries and ice cream. What are you waiting for? Visit nyo na yung The Beer Factory and Estate Coffee House.